What if I told you that the energy, confidence, and drive you had in your 20s doesn't have to be a distant memory? Today, we're diving deep into 5 lifestyle changes that can naturally optimize your testosterone levels without stepping foot in a doctor's office. I'm talking about scientifically backed methods that thousands of men are using right now to reclaim their vitality. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to transform how you feel every single day. Before we jump into the solutions, let's talk about what we're actually dealing with here. Testosterone isn't just about muscle mass or bedroom performance. This hormone affects everything from your motivation to get out of bed in the morning to your ability to focus at work. It influences your mood, your energy levels, your metabolism, and even how your body stores fat. The reality is that testosterone levels in men have been declining steadily for decades, and it's not just about getting older. The good news? Your lifestyle has an enormous impact on your hormone production. While genetics play a role, the choices you make every day can either support healthy testosterone levels or completely sabotage them. These 5 strategies I'm about to share aren't quick fixes or magic bullets. They're fundamental changes that address the root causes of declining testosterone, and they work because they support your body's natural hormone production mechanisms. Let's start with hack number 1, and this might surprise you because it's not what most people expect. We're talking about sleep optimization, but not just getting more sleep. We're talking about getting the right kind of sleep at the right times. Your testosterone production follows a circadian rhythm, with the highest levels typically occurring during deep sleep phases. Here's what most guys get wrong. They focus on total sleep time, but ignore sleep quality and timing. The magic happens during those deep sleep stages, particularly between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This is when your body produces the majority of its daily testosterone. If you're staying up until midnight scrolling through your phone, you're literally cutting off your hormone production at the knees. Your body needs consistent sleep and wake times, ideally going to bed by 10 p.m. and waking up around 6 a.m. But it's not just about timing. Your sleep environment matters tremendously. Your bedroom should be completely dark, cool, and quiet. Even small amounts of light can disrupt your circadian rhythm and reduce testosterone production. Consider blackout curtains, remove electronic devices, and keep the temperature between 65 and 68 degrees. Many guys see dramatic improvements just from optimizing their sleep setup. Moving on to hack number 2, strategic nutrition that specifically supports hormone production. This isn't about following the latest fad diet or counting every calorie. It's about understanding which nutrients your body needs to manufacture testosterone and making sure you're getting enough of them consistently. Zinc is absolutely crucial for testosterone production. Your body can't make testosterone without adequate zinc levels, yet most men are deficient. You'll find zinc in oysters, red meat, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate. Vitamin D is another game changer that most guys are severely lacking. Despite being called a vitamin, it actually functions more like a hormone in your body and directly impacts testosterone production. Healthy fats are essential because testosterone is literally made from cholesterol. This means you need quality fats from sources like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and yes, even saturated fats from grass-fed meat and eggs. The low-fat diet craze of previous decades has been devastating for men's hormone levels. Your body needs these building blocks to create testosterone. But here's what's equally important: what you avoid. Processed foods, especially those high in sugar, can cause dramatic spikes and crashes in your blood sugar, which directly impacts hormone production. Alcohol, even in moderate amounts, can significantly reduce testosterone levels. And foods high in soy contain compounds that can mimic estrogen in your body, potentially disrupting your hormonal balance. Hack number 3 focuses on movement and exercise, but not the way most people think about it. While exercise is crucial for testosterone production, the type, intensity, and timing of your workouts makes all the difference. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously are far more effective for boosting testosterone than isolation exercises. High-intensity interval training can also be incredibly effective, but here's the key: recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Overtraining is one of the fastest ways to crash your testosterone levels. Your body interprets excessive exercise as stress, and chronic stress is the enemy of healthy hormone production. This means you need adequate rest between intense sessions. The timing of your workouts matters too. Morning workouts, particularly those done in natural sunlight, can help regulate your circadian rhythm and support healthy healthy testosterone production. If you're working out late in the evening, you might be disrupting your sleep quality, which brings us back to hack number 1. Strength training should be the foundation of your exercise routine, but don't neglect movement throughout the day. Sedentary behavior, particularly sitting for long periods, can negatively impact testosterone levels. Even something as simple as taking walking breaks throughout your workday can make a meaningful difference. Hack number 4 is all about stress management, and this might be the most important one for many guys. Chronic stress is probably the biggest testosterone killer in our modern world. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces elevated levels of cortisol, and cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship. When one goes up, the other goes down. The problem is that our modern lifestyle creates chronic low-level stress that never really goes away. Work pressure, financial concerns, relationship issues, social media, news cycles, traffic, poor sleep, it all adds up. Your body can't differentiate between being chased by a predator and being stressed about a work deadline. The physiological response is the same. Meditation and mindfulness practices can be incredibly effective for managing stress levels. Even just 10 minutes a day of focused breathing or meditation can significantly impact your cortisol levels. Regular time in nature has also been shown to reduce stress hormones and support healthy testosterone production. This could be as simple as walking in a park during your lunch break or hiking on weekends. The key is finding stress management techniques that you actually enjoy and will stick with consistently. For some guys, it's lifting weights. For others, it's playing music, spending time with friends, or engaging in hobbies. The specific activity matters less than having regular practices that help you decompress and manage stress effectively. Hack number 5 involves optimizing your environment and eliminating hidden testosterone disruptors that most guys never even consider. We're living in a world filled with chemicals that can interfere with hormone production, and many of them are hiding in products you use every day. Plastics containing BPA and phthalates can mimic estrogen in your body and disrupt testosterone production. This means avoiding plastic food containers when possible, especially when heating food. Glass and stainless steel are better alternatives. Personal care products like shampoos, deodorants, and soaps often contain chemicals that can interfere with hormone function. Look for products with fewer synthetic chemicals and artificial fragrances. Your home environment matters too. Certain cleaning products, air fresheners, and even furniture can off-gas chemicals that disrupt hormones. Improving indoor air quality with plants or air purifiers can help. Even the water you drink can contain hormone-disrupting chemicals, so consider a quality water filter. Electromagnetic fields from phones, Wi-Fi routers, and other electronic devices may also impact hormone production. While the research is still developing, simple practices like keeping your phone away from your body and turning off Wi-Fi at night could be beneficial. Here's the truth about implementing these changes. They work synergistically. You can't just focus on one area and expect dramatic results. Sleep affects stress levels, stress affects nutrition choices, nutrition impacts exercise performance, and your environment influences everything. The guys who see the most significant improvements are those who address multiple areas simultaneously. Start with the changes that feel most manageable for your current situation. Maybe that's improving your sleep setup this week and gradually adding the other elements. Consistency matters more than perfection. Small, sustainable changes practiced over months will deliver far better results than trying to overhaul everything at once and burning out after 2 weeks. Remember, optimizing testosterone naturally is about supporting your body's existing systems, not forcing dramatic changes overnight. These strategies work because they address the fundamental lifestyle factors that either support or sabotage healthy hormone production. Give your body the tools it needs, remove the obstacles you've unknowingly created, and trust the process. If this information helped you understand how to naturally optimize your testosterone levels, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-based health content. What's one change you're going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below, and remember, your best years don't have to be behind you.